I got accepted into Art Baja, which is an art festival that's going to take place in Baja this year from March 10th until April 23rd in Todos Santos, in La Paz, and in Cabo. It is organized by Zonamaco, which is the largest art fair in Latin America. They usually do something in Mexico City every year, but this year they're also coming to Baja. The Todos Santos part of the festival is going to take place in the gardens of the Oystera. For those of you who don't know, I had an art show in the Oystera, in the building of the Oystera last year with big cyanotypes made of palms. And ever since then, I have been fantasizing about making even larger cyanotypes on fabric that I could somehow place in the gardens of the Oystera. So this is my opportunity. There's only one catch with Art Baja, which is that the participation fee is $750, which is due on March 8th, which I don't have right now. And so that's why I'm appealing to some support for this project, and hoping that you're going to be inspired to donate something. Anything helps. Every little bit will help. Another thing you could do is buy art. This would be a really good time for that, because anything that comes in on top of the $750 I'm going to use for art supplies. Yeah, so that's my GoFundMe. We have a week. I super hope for some support. I hope to see you there too. If I don't see you there, if you're not in Baja, I will update you through my Instagram on this project. And that's it. Thanks.